Hi guys, it's Adina here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a cheesy chicken pizza recipe. I'll share all the details required while making the pizza. So make sure you watch the video till end. If you're new here, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In the beginning, took a bowl, added 1 glass of lukewarm water, half tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Mix it really very well and cover it with a lid and let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. When you see bubbles on the surface of the water, then add 2.5 cup of maida or all-purpose flour and knead it in a soft dough. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to it or according to your taste. While kneading, you can add half a tablespoon of oil to it. And here is our dough for the pizza ready. Cover it and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. By the time, let us prepare the chicken for the pizza topping. So here in the bowl, I took 150 grams of chicken, boneless, added half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of chili powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of Everest chicken masala. Then I mix it, adding 2 tablespoons of curd to this. Mix it again and transfer it into a utensil. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to this. I did not remember to add ginger garlic paste in the bowl, so I added here and then mix it, cover it with a lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. The chicken, drain its water, cook it until the water completely dries. And here is our chicken ready. As you can see, the dough is also fermented really very well. We'll knead it again for 1 to 2 minutes and then make 4 portions out of it. Take 1 portion, place it on the board, sprinkle some flour on it and roll it out. Roll it out gently and it should be even from all the sides. Don't be in a hurry while rolling. If it sticks, then you can sprinkle some more flour. Take a baking tray and apply some oil on it. So I have placed the base on the baking tray and now with the help of a fork I will prick it. Prick it slightly but make many marks of the fork so that it doesn't puff up while baking. Now as it is done, we'll apply good amount of pizza pasta sauce on it. The sauce here I am using is not homemade, it is ready-made. Now it's time for the toppings to be on the pizza. You can spread any toppings of your choice. I am using onions and capsicum. But remember to spread them evenly on the pizza base. Now it's time to spread out our prepared chicken on the base. And lastly, I am spreading a good amount of mozzarella cheese on our pizza. The pizza is now ready to be baked in the oven. Remember to preheat your oven before you prepare the pizza. Bake it for 20 minutes until the base is golden brown at 180 degrees Celsius.